Aspen life. And guys, I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm really ready for the springtime. Oh, hi, what's that? Oh, what are you doing here, little bird? I forget. Did you hear that, guys? Today is March 1st, guys, and only 19 more days left until springtime begins. I can't believe it's been 6 weeks. I'm so ready. Thank you so much, Birdie. Will I be seeing you around? I will? Guys, I can't believe I just got to talk to a real live bird. Bye! Bye, little birdie. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I'm sorry if I didn't get to walk on the woods, as you can see on the woods. But I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. And also, I just got a new website, so go to aspensawesomelife.com and you can check out my Twitter and my Facebook. And yeah, don't forget to check out my channel. And also, for the shout out question, what is your favorite kind of things that you like to do in the springtime? So yeah, comment down below that answer, and you might get a shout out in my next video. Bye guys! Woo!